Z-Smart have reinvented the light switch, turning it into the ultimate home interface and controller, bringing you comfort, economy, simplicity, and security. Out with the old, in with the 21st century Z-Smart controller. This is just the start. The interactive label technology allows you to know what each light switch operates, or which device or multiple devices to control. You can still turn your lights off or on and dim them up and down. But that's just the beginning for the new smart controller. Fits with existing home wiring setup, so upgrading or new, the Z-Smart controller requires no new or complicated installation setups. The cluster system allows you to start with just one Z-Smart controller and grow and develop the system as your needs change. We believe in an open world where you choose the products you want and the way you want to control them. You can directly control up to 4 existing circuits on each Z-Smart controller, 2 dimmers and 2 switches. You can even use the Z-Smart controller in the dark. Proximity and light level sensors know when you are there and how bright the screen needs to be. With a single touch, you can control multiple devices all with a single touch. Change light mode from task mode to relax mode. Away mode, bedtime mode. At last, something that brings it all together. Control all those smart device products from a single interface. The built-in temperature sensor is like having a thermostat in every room. Don't overheat or overcool any room in your home. Learns your favorite room temperatures for different rooms. Set minimum and maximum temperatures by time of day, or home or away. Heard a noise in the night? You can turn every light in the house on from the Z-Smart controller beside your bed. Secure Away mode turns lights and multi-room audio systems on and off to give a someone is home look. We wouldn't forget about the app for your phone, PC, or tablet. If you don't want to get up from the sofa or you are at the office, you can still control your new smart home. The ultimate personal device for the home that can change, develop, and learn to maximize your living environment. Register your interest now.